You certainly have heard about mint, but did you know there is another kind of mint? Peppermint, whose scientific name is Mentha piperita, is a plant that can be used in natural medicine. Besides being a great aromatic herb. Just like its cousin, mint, peppermint can be used to treat pains and stomach issues, muscle inflammations, headaches, and morning sickness. Easily found, it has antibacterial and antiviral properties, and is also anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic. Besides all that, peppermint can also be used for 1. Digestive issues, nausea, and vomit. Peppermint soothes the stomach, helping treat digestive issues, and also easing nausea and vomiting. 2. Helps with cases of gas and irritable bowel. Peppermint can also be used to calm down the intestine, thus helping reduce gas production and naturally contributing to treat irritable bowel. 3. Muscular and nerve pains and inflammations. Did you know that using peppermint essential oil helps alleviate the pain and inflammation of muscles? The same goes for headaches or migraines. 4. Swelling. Besides being helpful with pain, peppermint oil also helps with swelling on your body since it calms down, refreshes and stimulates blood circulation. 5. Cough and the common cold. Using this herb will clean your lungs, calm down throat inflammation, reduce coughing and also unclog your nose. 6. Oral issues and bad breath. Did you know that peppermint tea can help reduce the pain and inflammation of mouth sores? 7. Skin issues, itching, and urticaria. Peppermint is great for treating skin issues thanks to its anti-inflammatory and soothing actions. Do you still want to learn how to make peppermint tea? Avoid drinking this tea in excess since some of the side effects of peppermint can include allergic reactions on the skin, such as itching, burning sensation, redness, or urticaria, and also irritation of the stomach mucosa, causing stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, bloating, or bad digestion. Peppermint tea is also not recommended during pregnancy or lactation, since it can pass into breast milk and alter its smell and taste, which might hinder breastfeeding. Now, tell us, did you know the benefits of this herb already? Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching.